Hey, let's take a look at some of these review problems from a recent assignment. We got these two parentheses and that are being added together. Let's lose the parentheses. And then we'll combine our like terms. 7x here, 9x here will be 16x. Negative 2y here, positive 4y there, positive 2y. Same type of problem over here. We have a plus sign in between two parentheses, so we'll lift those parentheses. And then we'll combine our like terms. 2x squared here, 3x squared there. Remember, when you add, you don't affect power, just quantity. Positive x here, negative x here will cancel. Positive 5 here, negative 4 here, plus 1. Here we have subtraction signs between two parentheses. When you have subtraction signs, go ahead and lift the first parentheses. And when you lift the second parentheses, go through and distribute this negative by changing all of your signs. Positive 7x instead, negative 6x squared instead. And then we combine like terms. Negative 6x squared here, another negative 6x squared, be negative 12x squared. Minus 12x in the front, positive 7x here, negative 5x. Minus sign in between two parentheses, so I'm going to lift the parentheses, changing the signs on the one that I'm subtracting, the second one here. Minus 3x squared, minus 8x, minus 2. Then I combine like terms. 7x squared minus 3x squared. That should be an x right there. My apologies. 9x here, negative 8x there, be plus x. Plus 3 here, minus 2 on the end, plus 1. Another one of those. Lift the first parentheses, minus sign here, lift the second parentheses, changing all of the signs. Positives become negatives, negatives become positives. Combine your like terms, you have this single quadratic term here, minus 3x squared. 4x here, minus 7x, be minus 3x. 11 and 3, plus 14. Here we have a number beside a parentheses. What we'll do here is we'll distribute. We'll go 4 times the x squared, and we'll go 4 times the negative 5x. Combine like terms if you can, but there's not any. Here we're going to take these two binomials and we're going to FOIL them. I like to say it like this. I'm going to do first times the first, first times the second, and then I do second times the first, and then I do second times the second. Combine the middle terms, 2x here, 7x here. Here I have one group, but I see that that group is being squared. So what I suggest you do is write down 2 of these groups side by side. And then repeat like we did the last problem. First times the first, first times the second one times the first, and the second one times the second. Combine the 2 terms in the middle because they are alike. 4x and 4x, 8x. Another problem similar. First times the first, 2x times x. First times the last, 2x times the 6. Last one times the first. And the last times the last. Combine the 2 terms there in the middle because they are alike. 12x here minus 5x. Be 7x minus 30. Last one here. I want to multiply x minus 6 with its conjugate. The conjugate of x minus 6 is x plus 6. Same terms, we just alternate, change the sign there in the middle. And then it's the same as the last problem. First times the first, the x times the x. First times the second, x times the 6. Second times the first, and then second times the second. Remember, when you multiply conjugates, the middle term always cancels. Hey, have a nice day.